guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a power hour. I have about an hour before my daughter gets home from dance. So my son is taking a shower, doing all his things. So I am going to, just looking at my to-do list over here, because we all know I love paper and pen. So we need to empty the dishwasher. I have some dishes in the sink that I need to get rid of. I need to, I lied, I already emptied the dishwasher. I totally forgot I did that before I left. Score, I can already check something off my to-do list. So I need to we have a craft cart like that I set up for the kids for school in the dining room, so that needs to be, it's just become like a catch-all and it's a hot mess. So we need to do that. We need to clean all of the TVs in the house. I just ordered some cleaner for electronics because ours are disgusting. My kids touch the, you know, just messy and gross. So they all need to be cleaned. We need to clean the glass. We need to vacuum, and I will find something else to do because now I don't have to empty the dishwasher. I can't believe I totally forgot that I already did that before I left. Way to go me. I can already check something off my list. All right, let's get started.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next, when I told you that I need to hold you.
Alright, so everything is all organized. As you saw before, it was a mess. I got rid of a ton of stuff. Took out some things. I might actually even move this out of here, either move it downstairs. I have another craft one downstairs. I might just combine the two and then use this craft cart somewhere else. So, because we don't really, the kids color and stuff a lot too, so I don't know. I'm leaving it here for now, and we'll see how much it actually gets used. Alright, so I found something to fill the dishwasher check bubble. So I have kind of like a backstock in my fridge downstairs. So I have a bunch of bins in the fridge up here that are getting empty that I need to fill. So we will do that.
And I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. Taken, baby.
body. Sick of being told what to do. Say you gotta wait out. We could buy a big house for two. We could be on the news. Starlight, see through the haze. My hand is shades, we far from grace. Take me home, living for the thrill. But on the pills, for you I'd kill. We chase the highs to see the lights, red and blue. We can go anywhere that we wanna go. Even talk about us on the radio. How we break the rules. Starlight, see through the haze. My hand is shades, we far from grace. Take me home, living for the thrill. But on the pills, for you I'd kill. Stolen gold, and see through the haze. My hand is shades, we fall from grace. Take me home, I'm living for the thrill. I know you lie, but on the pills, for you I'd kill. You pull the car around, told me to wait. Pray I don't meet you at the pearly gates. Now there's no way back, least we got all this cash. No way back, least we got all this cash. We count.
This box, there's a bunch of holes in it and holes on the side, and it's actually a costume. And then there's another hole to stick stuff through. And if you put one of your arms through here and put your face in here, and look, it's a robot. Beep, beep. And down here, there's
We can see.
a big rainbow. It is. Let me see. I forgot. Green, purple, and red.
Very nice. All right, go put your robot costume away. It's time for dinner.
Okay. That's
My money by the fire escape. You pull the 45 behind your waist and say, fuck that, I'll be taking that cash. Fuck that, I'll be taking that cash.
High and I'm floating, I'm never this open, but you make me wanna try it. Lost in the moment, I'm gone and I know it. I could do this all night. I'm sliding over, I know you like me, inching closer, feeling bolder. Might not believe me, but I'm sober. What? Hold the Bacardi, Tito's and Jack. I don't need that. Ain't no drink will get me this drunk, drunk. Ain't no thing will get me this flush, flush. Better call an Uber 'cause I'm buzzing, crushing, heartbeat rushing. Got me thinking might be something. Drunk, drunk. Ain't no drink will get me this wild. You're exciting, your wit and your timing. You're teasing me with those eyes. I'm digging your Nikes. Must be a Pisces, wearing your Levi's tight. I'm sliding over, I know you like me, inching closer, feeling bolder. Might not believe me, but I'm sober. What? Hold the Bacardi, Tito's and Jack. I don't need that. Ain't no drink will get me this drunk, think I'm in love. Ain't no drink will get me this drunk, drunk. Yeah, you got me so drunk. Ain't no thing will get me this fresh, fresh. Better call an Uber cause I'm buzzing, crushing, heartbeat rushing. Got me thinking might be something drunk, drunk. Ain't no drink will get me this drunk.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. We got everything done on our to-do list. It took me an hour to do everything. There is a little break in between because my son and I had dinner. So my daughter should be home any minute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!